You guys can follow me on Instagram and Telegram and other social media also. Link will be in the description, guys. Do follow for more and recent updates on my YouTube channel.
So hello everyone, my name is Pritam and welcome to another video of MATLAB playlist. If you are new to the channel, please do watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notification. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. So in this video, we will be talking about reshaping and rearranging of matrix or arrays. Arrays means the row vector or the column vector, you can say, or row matrix or column matrix. So in general, I will talk about matrix because in MATLAB everything is represented as the form of matrix. We all know that, right? So many functions in MATLAB can take the elements of an existing array or matrix and put them in a different shape or sequence. This can be helpful for processing your data for subsequent computation or the analyzing data. So what is reshaping and rearranging? Okay, so reshaping is one thing and rearranging is another thing. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about rearranging. In case of rearranging, there are various types of rearrangement like transpose, flipping, then shifting, rotating, okay, then sorting also. So we all will be watching all these things in the upcoming videos, but today in this video I will talk about only three things. First one is reshaping, another one is transposing, another one is flipping. So, and in the next video I will talk about rest of the things. Okay, so let's talk about reshaping. The reshape function, okay, the reshape function changes the size and the shape of a matrix. For example, if I say A equal to, say equal to this. So what it is actually 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, now if I write that B equal to RSH reshape of, so the parameter, the first parameter would be the matrix which you want to reshape, right? That means A. Now the order in which you want to reshape, like I want to do it by 8, 2, that means 8 by 2. So you can see that 4 by 4, that means 16 elements is represented in 4 by 4, and here it is represented in 8 by 2. You can't reshape this matrix into another matrix where the total number of elements is 16. Is not 16. You can't do that. The total number of elements have to be same. Okay. So this is the thing actually. This is called reshaping. For example, if I write another example that C equal to, so here it is 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, now if I write that D equal to reshape of then C, then 4 3, that means 4 by 3. So here you can see that it is 4 by 3 and here it is 3 by 4. In this way we can reshape. So why it is so much important? Because you can easily analyze your data. Means when you will be analyzing your data or computing any big calculation or in a project, so this kind of functions, this kind of operations can have the ease of your calculation or computation. Okay, it's only for your ease of comfort, nothing else. Okay, that's why it is very much important, you know. So now let's talk about transposing. Okay, so first of all, what is transpose actually? In linear algebra or in matrix chapter of your mathematics, you might have heard about transposing, where means the rows will be the column, the columns will be the row. For example, if I write, means D is a matrix here, and if I write E equal to, now what is the transpose operator? Actually a dash is the transpose operator. Okay, this dash. Okay, but in matrix, okay, you have to use dot dash. Okay, why? I will be telling it later. Okay, so here you can see that transpose has happened. Okay, the columns have been converted into rows and the rows have been converted into columns. Okay, now what is actually dash operator? Okay, the similar operator, okay, that's the dash operator, computes the conjugate transpose of a complex matrix. This operation computes the complex conjugate of each element and transposes it. Okay, so what is complex matrix actually? Okay, so complex matrix is like, for example, if I write I, then I plus 1, then I minus 1, then I plus 2. Okay, so okay, sorry, array I minus 1, then I plus 2. Okay, so F is this one. So if you want to transpose, then you have to use this one. Okay, you should not use dot dash operator in case of complex matrices. Okay, you have to use only dash because it is actually complex conjugate. Okay, it actually, what actually it does, that it computes the conjugate transpose. Okay, complex conjugate transpose. That's why we have to use dash operator. Means there is no harm of using dash operator in case of real number matrices also, but you should not. Okay, actually it is there is a difference which I can't show you in this example right now. In later any video I will be talking about this difference. Okay, and I will show you a difference also there, but not right now. Okay, so I'm heading, and now let's talk about flipping. Okay, there are two flipping function, flipud and fliplr. Ud means up down, lr means left right. Okay, and we are going to watch both of them. So if I write, for example, okay, first of all let me clear. Okay, now if I write a equal to 1 2 and then 3 4. Okay, now if I write b equal to flipud of a. Okay, if I write like this, okay, so you can see that up down flipping has done 3 4 1 2, these two rows. That means it in case of ud, rows will be flipped up. Okay, and in case of fliplr, the columns will be flipped up, isn't it? So you can easily see the difference. Let's apply all these things into a 3 by 3 order matrix. For example, a equal to 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, then 7 8 9. Okay, now if I write b equal to flipud of a, so you can see that the middle row, okay, the middle row is intact in the same position, but the first one and third one has been flipped up. Okay, and in case of if I write c flip lr of a, okay, so you can see that the columns have been flipped up, isn't it? So you can easily see what is the difference. Now let's go to a 4 by 4 order matrix and watch it out. Okay, by the way, what I am writing AA, why I am writing AA, and after that pressing enter and all the things have been vanished. So what is the thing actually? Let me show you. I have made another file which is aa.m. You can see here aa.m. Okay, so what is aa.m? That is a MATLAB file. .m is the MATLAB file format, isn't it? Like for example, in case of txt, that means text file. So MATLAB file is .m extension. Okay, so what I have written here actually is clear all and CLC. Okay, so what they do, you all know that if you have watched my video, so you must know it, that what is clear all and CLC, and means every time I have to write these two commands, and they are taking a lot of time. That's why I just made a file, and after that I am just running it. Okay, so simply just everything is happening. So, and in upcoming videos I will show you how to create this kind of MATLAB files and how to run them and what are the things and all. Don't worry about it. Please do subscribe if you want to know more about MATLAB. I hope you are enjoying the playlist. So 1 2 3, wait on. So here it is a 4 by 4 order matrix, and let me just flip it up, flip ud of a. So here you can see that means this one has been flipped up, and this one has been flipped up. Okay, that means what is the thing actually? You have to just make a line here and you just have to mirror it up. Okay, the mirror image you have to create. That's the thing actually. When symmetrical mirror imaging would be there. That is the simple language in physics. In physics. Okay, so C equal to then flip lr. Okay, a. So there is the same thing is happening in case of column also. The flipped up. Okay, first and fourth, second and third. Okay, everything is flipped up. So these are the things actually which I wanted to discuss in this video. And if you found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button and the like button also, and let me know through comments below there if any kind of doubt is there, or if you really found this video useful, please do share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos and press the bell icon so that every video would be reached to you through notification. This much for today, guys. I am Pritam signing off for now. See you on the next video.